everyone, it's me again, Riza from I2 Prime Realty. We're currently here in Verdana Homes, Mamplasan, Binyan. What I like about this location, it is very accessible. A few minutes lang, you're in Calax na. Just exit Mamplasan, nandito ka na sa Verdana Homes. Ganon siyang ka-accessible. Isa pa doon, si Verdana Homes ay exclusive village. So expect na maganda yung community, payapa, tahimik. So this property at my back, its lot area is 291 square meters and the floor area is 350 square meters. So kung saan ako nakatayo, this is gonna be your carport. It can fit 2 to 3 on this side. And pwede dito, one big car like SUV. So kaya 4 to 5 na slots for your cars. And this area is going to be the playground for your kids, for your nephews and nieces, sa kids ng visitors mo, ng friends mo. Maganda siya. They won't get bored. So punta muna tayo sa area na to. This room can be a storage for your car needs. Big enough for your stuff. Pwede rin siyang laundry area since may provision na rin for water. Sa side naman ito, this is the maid's quarters. Meron na rin silang sariling toilet and bath, and there's also an access sa loob ng bahay. So, maganda dito sa maid's quarters. Kaya dalawang may iba silang area for their things, for their cabinets, for their closet. And this is gonna be their toilet and bath. Itong property din na to, hindi siya dikit sa neighbor. Meron kang 2 meters easement all side ng house. Tara, pasok muna tayo. This house is already fully furnished. So, ang gagawin mo na lang talaga, move in, titirahan mo na lang, tutulugan mo na lang, e-enjoy mo na lang yung bahay. So, ito, you may enjoy your coffee in the morning sa labas. And pasok muna tayo. Let's remove our shoes kasi cleanliness is our top priority. And this is our main door. It's a solid wood. And tignan mo yung lock, it's already smart. Biometrics na siya. So pagpasok natin, we will be welcomed by a very elegant living area. It's already high ceiling, and look at the chandelier. Ang ganda ng design. And your panoramic windows, and look at your curtains. Very aesthetic. Imagine mo na ba yung sarili mo, magre-receive ka ng visitors mo here? Ganda, di ba? And you also have that side table as another tambayan in the living area. It also comes with a painting na and an AC dito sa living area. And let's move on to this area. This is gonna be your dining area. Look at your table. So durable, madaling linisin, ang ganda. It blends well with the design of the house. And look at your light. And your marbled painted wall. Meron na ring AC installed dito sa dining area. And you have an access palabas. May screen na siya. Pwede mo siyang leave the door open para mas malamig sa bahay. Dito naman tayo sa kitchen area. So, meron na tayong 2-door fridge. It's Condura. Modular cabinets installed. Meron na yung overhead cabinets. Ang maganda doon, it's soft close. So, walang dabugan na mangyayari sa bahay na to. You already have your sink. It's a German brand. So, maganda. Meron ka na ring stove and oven. And you already have your exhaust. Maganda. If I were you, parang gusto ko maglagay pa dito ng island. Sakto, may lamps na rin sa taas. Dito naman tayo sa... Kanina, I already mentioned about the maid's quarters sa labas. So, ito yung access pa. Ito yung access niya dito sa loob. So, check out natin tong powder room dito sa baba. Very elegant. Ang ganda sa mata ng tiles. And let's check out the bedroom on this floor. It is senior friendly. Kasi nasa baba lang siya, malawak, high ceiling, ang ganda pa ng mga pin lights, and this blinds. Ang ganda. Meron na rin tayong closet dito sa room mo, and meron kang sariling toilet and bath. Smart pa rin yung mirror. And come on, let's check out what's on the second floor. See? Ang ganda ng details ng bahay na to. Yung texture niya, wood, ibe-blend, kasi kagaya ng mga ilaw na naka-install sa bahay. May touch of wood, may touch of brown, very elegant. And yung ating stairs, gusto ko, kasi maliliit lang yung hakbang. Tapos, wala kang maririnig na yabag. It's also senior friendly. Although it's stairs, madali siyang akyatin. Kasi maliliit lang yung hakbang, di nakakapagod. So, while you are going upstairs, ang view mo kagad ay yung neighborhood mo kasi we have panoramic windows. Tapos kita mo lalo yung ganda ng iyong living area. Open below. And this pathway is leading you to the 3 rooms dito sa floor na to. Meron ka pang indoor balcony, so paggising mo, check mo ano nagaganap sa bahay mo. Ganda, no? So, dito naman tayo sa first room dito sa second floor. It's also very spacious. High ceiling, may AC installed na. Ang ganda ng mga pin lights. Look at your windows. Aesthetic din, kagaya ng blinds. Meron ng closet. And magandang toilet and bath. Now, let's check out the second room. Here's the second room. Same with the first room, very spacious. Ganda ng ceiling, it's high. Ganda yung pin lights, and your windows, and your own toilet and bath. And now, our favorite part, the master bedroom. Kaya na-appreciate ko tong master bedroom kasi din-rest up na ni owner. So para mas ma-appreciate natin yung bahay. So pagpasok pa lang natin, meron ka ng closet dito. And it's transparent. Kita yung mga collection mo dito. And on this side is an access to the balcony. The balcony is also huge. Mamaya, check out natin yan. Dito muna tayo sa loob. And you have your bed here. Look at your windows. Look at your walls. Ang ganda. They complement each other. And ito, gusto ko dito eh. Dalawa yung desk mo. This side and on that side, pareha silang charging spot. Come on. Look at this. Tinining! Hindi kayo mag-aagawan ng partner mo. Diba? Punta naman tayo dito. I also love this part. Sobrang ganda. This is your walk-through closet and your toilet and bath with bathtub. So elegant. And now, let's proceed to the balcony. This can be your tambayan. Maganda kahit anong oras mo tambayan, morning, hapon, or at night. Okay siya. Mahangin. Maganda pa din pala dito sa bahay na to. Although your carport is not covered, meron ka namang tree na nagbibigay ng shade para sa cars mo at magandang ventilation sa bahay. So I hope you have enjoyed this property tour. And if you want this property, maganda talaga siya. I want this for you. Just call or text us sa Viber or sa WhatsApp. Schedule tayo ng tripping para sa'yo to. So if you have any other properties in mind, dito man sa Biñan, Santa Rosa, Nuvali area, Metro Manila, all over the Philippines, I2 Prime has so many listings for you. So, again, this is Raisa from I2 Prime Realty. I hope you have enjoyed this property tour. And by the way, don't forget to like this video, follow us on our social media accounts, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on our next tour. Bye!